Okay beauties, I want to start by showing you the items that I'm going to be using for this project. I want to show you first these two glass jars that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm also going to use a glue gun and also this Love wall decor from the Dollar Tree as well, and also some paint, and this I purchased at Walmart. And then I'm going to be using these pink flowers that I purchased at the Dollar Tree as well, and the wooden caddy I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm also going to use this sanding block that I purchased at the Dollar Tree as well. And here I just want to show you that the wooden caddy came from Hobby Lobby. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this spray paint and I'm going to go spray the Love wall decor outside. But before that I do that, I'm just going to remove the tags and also that piece of string that the wall decor came with. This is the back side of the wall decor. I've already spray painted it and it's already dry. It took about an hour for it to dry completely. So now I'm going to remove the little hooks that it has in the back. Because I want this to look farmhouse style and distressed, I'm going to take my sanding block now and I'm just going to sand off the edges and just distress it some so that it doesn't look so new. And this is how it looks once it's been distressed. And now I'm just taking a rag and I'm just going to clean off my sign and make sure that there is no more dust on it. Okay, now I'm ready to hot glue the love sign onto my caddy. So I decided to go ahead and just put those two glass jars just so that I can have some storage space. I decided to go ahead and just put some of these pink flowers in one of the jars just to give it a little bit of a personal touch. If you decide to do something like this, you can really use those jars to put really anything that you'd like, but I wanted to put some pink flowers and just make it look really nice and girly. And then I went ahead and I decided to put this washi tape on this other glass jar. This really pretty rose pen, so I decided to also store it in that glass jar. And then I added also my daily planner. I thought this was perfect for it. I had my washi tape, a pen, and some flowers, and I just thought it looked really pretty together. My farmhouse wooden caddy is complete. I basically wanted a place where I could store my washi tape and also my daily planner. And I decided to go ahead and do this little project. I think that it just worked out really well. I can store all my little stickers and a notepad, and it's just a perfect caddy to store everything that you use in your daily planner. What I love about this caddy is I'm able to put my flowers, and also the glass jar holds plenty of washi tape, and it also holds a place for my rose pen. So I just thought this was a perfect little caddy for my daily planner. And here is another idea. I placed napkins, forks, and plates, and it just looks so put together and organized. And then with that love sign, it just gave it a personal touch. Okay, my beauties, that is it for this farmhouse personalized wooden caddy. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next DIY. So bye-bye and God bless.